This question, the principal explains to us that consent is said to be free when it is not caused by pressure or force by anyone, physical or mental, in the absence of vitiating factors like coercion, undue influence, misrepresentation, fraud, or mistake. Now, the facts in the present question are: Show Off City is a residential enclave located in the south extension. Mr. Thomas occupies a flat in the enclave. One day he receives a letter from the president of the executive committee chosen for the maintenance of the building, uh, stating that the executive committee members propose to construct a spa which can be used exclusively by occupants of flats in the enclave. However, Mr. Thomas has no interest in such high life amenities. When he conveys his refusal to sign the proposal to the president of the executive committee, the latter does not take it kindly. In concealed terms, he suggests to the former that if he does not give the proposal his free consent, then he shall be excluded from the water supply arrangement, which is also overlooked by the executive committee. Now, succumbing to his pressure, Mr. Thomas reluctantly puts his signature to the proposal, but eventually does not pay the amount payable by the signatories. The executive committee files for enforcement of the promise. Can it do so or not? In this question, the correct answer is D, that is no, they cannot do so, since there was no free consent from Mr. Thomas's behalf. Right. One of the important essential of the principle, which has been mentioned in the principle, is that there has to be consent and it has to be free, and it is not free when it is caused by coercion, undue influence, misrepresentation, fraud, or mistake. Over here, from the facts, we get to know that uh, there was no free consent in the factual situation which has been provided, and the signature which was given by Mr. Thomas was a result of devious threat which was posed by the president, suggesting that Mr. Thomas's flat would be excluded from the water supply arrangement if he didn't give the proposal for the spa his consent. Over here, there was clearly the essential which is mentioned in the principle has been constituted, and therefore the correct answer is D, that is no, since there was no free consent from Mr. Thomas's behalf.